What's in the box today?
Can you tell what today's sound will be? Introducing measure, pure, yeah, sure. Did you guess? Today's sound is Phonics, phonics, Mama T loves phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics.
Time to read.
Now let's practice reading the words. Pure, treasure, measure. Pure, pure, pure. Treasure. Measure. Wow, you've earned 3 stars for reading 3 words. Well done.
It's time to sing.
Now let's sing the song. But first, let's practice saying Use the video in the top right corner to help you. Which words have Say them along with me. Pure, sure, treasure, vulture, measure, all use your. These are the words.
It's time to say.
Now let's find all the pictures. I'm going to show you some pictures that do not have and you have to find the ones that do. See if you can find them before I do. Fair, ear, manicure, pure. Can you find the sound? Time's up. Yes, pure and manicure both have the sound. Let's try again. Try to find them before I do. Dairy, beard, injure, treasure. Which ones have the sound? Time's up. Yes, treasure and injure both have the sound. Well done finding the sound today. You found 4 pictures and earned 4 stars.
It's time to find.
Now it's time to practice finding the sound in words. The girls are going to show you some different flashcards and you've got to find the correct words.
Sure. Sure. Mates. Mates. Freight. Freight. Air. Air. Here. Here.
Where was the word? Did you hear any words? Yes, sure. Round 2. Let's try again.
Air. Air. Fear. Fear. Tear. Tear. Cure. Cure. Tight. Tight. Pure. Pure.
Where was the word? Did you hear her say any? Yes, pure. We have pure and sure. Great finding. Wow! You have learned to say the sound, find the sound, read the sound, and sing the sound. With all this practicing, you're going to be an amazing reader. Well done! Be sure to check out more videos to keep practicing those phonics. If you would like to practice your phonics and letter sounds more at home, then visit my Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Just look up Mama T Phonics. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.